Here's how to remove page title on Shopify. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, you have to do is go into your Shopify store. After this, you have to click on Online Store. After selecting Online Store, you have to click on the theme page. Next window will look like this, and you're going to select the 3 dots in line with your theme name, as you can see right here. Right beside Customize, you're going to tap on the 3 dots. Then you're going to tap on Edit Code. After you have selected Edit Code, you're going to scroll down from the menu option on the left side of the screen and click on Assets. That is at the second to last option at the bottom of the left side of the screen. Then after you have selected Assets, you're going to tap on base.css right here, and then you have to scroll down till the end, and here you have to paste that code. This code you can write manually from here, and then click on Save button. Once it has been saved, you can tap on Preview button, and you will see that the titles are not showing.